Hello my friends, John LaRuffa here with another Unbiased unboxing, and today we are going to be looking at Legends Untold, the Great Sewers Novice Set. So this is the companion video for my other one that I did with the Weeping Cave set. So if you want to check that out, there's another video on that that video you can take a look at. But we're going to look at the Great Sewers, so let's go ahead and get started right now. All right, let's check out the Great Sewers Novice Set, see what we get in this one. So again, nice, pleasant artwork in the back. Glare. Okay, let's open her on up. Got that side right there, you know. Perfect. All right. Okay. Cracking open the box here. All right, looks like 2 rule books. So this is the campaign rule book for where you're going to start, and then the massive rule book for the actual game itself. So depending on which one you get the same exact rule book here as far as each set, but then this is a different one. This looks like to be about 60 pages in length, and this is about 47. So we've got some reading to do. Taking a look at it, though, it's well illustrated. Seems like it'll be full of examples, which is good news. Some backstory stuff there. And the rule book itself, kind of the same situation. Good illustrations, some good examples. Shouldn't be too difficult to wrap my mind around there when I'm taking a look. And then I love the fact that there is a quick reference right in the back with the turn sequence. Okay, then we've got our large cards right here with the different characters, the map tiles, some reference player aids, which is good news. Always need a good player aid in games like this. Makes things so much easier. Let's go ahead and break this open. Take a look at the quality of the artwork. Mine looks like it has kind of gotten a little roughed up in shipping, but that's okay. It's just the side of the cards. I think I'll be able to deal with that. All right. Performer, the follower, the gutter snipe, and the laborer is what you get on this one. And so we've got these nicely illustrated sewer tiles here, which look pretty good. That's one of the things I'm really looking forward to about this game, is seeing the way that these map tiles kind of play out. And then some good player aids right here, as well as, well, these are not player aids, these are the quest information, and here's the player aids right here. All right. And it looks like there's 2 cards that were put in for post-production to amend what's going on in the box. So some fix-it-up chappies there, which is no problem. We'll take a look at that. And then our larger standard card set here. Looks from holding it that it's the same kind of cards that you'd get in most standard sizes with regards to sleeving if you're interested. So for me, that would be you know, the penny sleeves from Mayday, the green ones here. That's what I'm guessing. But I haven't put them on yet, so don't quote me on that. That's just what I'm thinking. And it looks like, again, we've got some ability cards or skill cards here. We've got some weapons. Pardon me, that looks like other skill cards. These are some weapons here. All right. Good stuff. Like the artwork. Cards feel good. They feel kind of like the same texture and quality as the cards you'd find in like Thunderstone or things like that. So no problems with that. And then another deck here. I'm not going to open those up in front of you because you can guess what they look like. As far as these the punch outs, we've got 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, so I got both of them. The thickness looks pretty darn good, and it looks like it'll be fairly easy to punch these out from a token standpoint. They look pretty robust. Don't look like they're going to flare on me too much, which is also a plus. All right, now let's take a quick look at 2 bonus expansions here from an unboxing standpoint. First, we'll check out the treasure. What do we get in this treasure one here? So first of all, let's tear her on open. see what's doing. All right, in the treasure, looks like we've got a variety of cards here. Same size, but probably some treasure cards. We wouldn't be shocked to see that, but here's what we get. All right. Again, since I don't really know the game yet, I really don't know what I'm looking at. But looks like some fun stuff there. And then looks like we've got a scenario, deep clearance scenario, level 3 to 5, which is good, and a specific map tile that would go with that scenario. All right, that'll be fun to check out. Let's take a look at the Druid. Here's the other one, right there. Character expansion. What do we get with the Druid? Okay. Well, the Druid has a couple of replacement cards on the back, so I don't know if that is for the Druid or not. Let's just take a quick look in case inquiring minds want to know. Do I see? Yeah, it looks like some updates to those cards were made. I don't know, maybe spelling errors. We'll find out later. But we've got our Druid abilities, different things over here that we'll take a look at as we power through the game. And then, of course, our Druid character, who is a neophyte, and then a scenario to go with it. Cool. All right, there you have it, folks. That's an unboxing of Legends Untold, the Great Sewers Novice Set. And again, I'm John LaRuffa with Unbiased Unboxing. Have a great one.